the Child Support Standards Act,
He can't
he's
do it.
not going to live.
Right, exactly.
So what's reasonable, and the woman ended up seeing it that way, because if you
And sometimes you got to bring them back to reality.
Right.
They'll throw numbers at it and they don't mean anything.
numbers and numbers, but
So
at
look,
the end of the
here's
day,
the budget. Here's budget forms. What does it cost you to live? What's going to cost you to live? These are real
that's
numbers
important,
now,
especially on Long Island. Apartments
Yeah.
are expensive as hell here on Long Island, and it's only, and listen, and the truth is, if you do go to court and you get one of these crazy settlements, if you can't afford it. You can't afford it.
Right.
It doesn't matter if the judge, sometimes there's a detachment of reality where they'll say, well, the judge said you have to pay it. But you can't get blood from a stone.
Exactly.
The person, and what happens is then they end up back in court, they end up losing their license, so then they lose their job, they end up in jail, so
Right.
they lose their job,
Exactly.
and it's just snowballs,
It's crazy.
and
You go to
get
court.
nothing.
You go to court.